Hi there, it's Libert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook ads that get results. Look, if you're a business owner, you need customers in order to grow that business. Without customers, your business will not grow. You might have heard people saying that Facebook ads are no longer working like how they used to work before. I know why they are saying that. It's because they ignore the fundamentals of advertising. Advertisers who master the fundamentals of advertising, their ads perform very well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the fundamentals of advertising before you start running Facebook ads so that you can get better results and grow your business. Here are the things we are going to cover in the fundamentals of advertising, the concepts of a marketing funnel and how prospects become customers, the 5 levels of awareness every customer must go through in order to buy, the 3 pillars of advertising success that makes up every successful advertising, and now obtaining the signature of the king before the battle. Like I mentioned before, if you know how to get where you are going to get there on time. If you do not know how to get there, it will take you a long time to get there. The same applies to Facebook ads. Mastering the fundamentals of advertising is what will give you good results. Now, here is how Facebook ads work. It is very important to make sure that your offer has values because people are not going to take their money out of their pockets and buy something that they do not need or they don't see values. Spending more time crafting your offer and making sure that your offer has value is what will make you scale your business by using Facebook ads. Let's take a look at the fundamentals of advertising and how they work. The concepts of a marketing funnel and how prospects become customers. Knowing this will help you get better results when you are running Facebook ads. Now, what are the marketing funnels? The marketing funnels are the steps of moving someone from not knowing about you or your business to becoming your new customer. Look, when you know this, like how I mentioned, if you know how to get somewhere, you will get there on time. If you do not know how to get there, it will take you a long time to get there. Now, let's take a look at 5 levels of awareness every customer must go through in order to buy. Look, the people who buy after they have seen your ads right away are the people who know the benefits of your specific product or service. They might have already purchased it before, or they might have already heard it from somebody and they know how it works and the benefits of that service or product. Let's say, for example, you are a marriage counselor and you're looking for couples to help with their divorce or anything, something that they are experiencing. Now, these people might have been in therapy before, so they understand how it is important to work with the therapist to make better decisions in their relationship. Those people will immediately schedule an appointment with you after they have seen your ads, and if they are satisfied with what you are telling them, we call those the 3% of the people who are ready to buy right now. Now, what do we do with 97%? We will cover that later, but you will need those 97% to go back and educate them so that they can buy your service or your offer. Now, let's take a look at the 3 pillars of advertising success that makes up every successful advertising. When you keep the customer's level of awareness in mind, it helps you to understand the 3 pillars of advertising. When you test what you have, you are going to understand what works and what doesn't work so that you can use what works to get customers for your business. Those are the 3 pillars of advertising that I mean. Now, I go in detail with this in my training, which could actually help you to get a clear direction of how to use Facebook ads and get customers for your business. Because look, if you don't have customers for your business, it's going to be very hard to grow that business. Now, let's take a look at obtaining the signature of the king before the battle. And business, you need to do some kind of research to know how the competition is, so that when you're going to use Facebook ads, you know how to compete, because Facebook ads is the field of the battle. There are people who are spending millions of dollars, there are people who are spending thousands of dollars. So you need to position yourself with your budget so that you can get customers for your business. Once you are ready, you know that you have everything planned very well, you can put the signature on the paper and then start attacking your competitors and get clients, get customers, and grow your business.